Oh my god, how does it say 6 hours? That's really weird. So this is not a 6-hour print, but I think we got some boogers in it. I'm having a problem with this where I think my filament sensor is cutting out, and then it thinks there's no filament in the thing. But I'm not sure if that's what's going on. If there's an optical sensor in here, maybe it's something else, but I don't think there is. I've done this twice now where I go to print something and it tells me to insert the filament, and I go pull up on it. But it prints quite fast. Like, I don't know how long it's been printing this for. Not 5 minutes. It adjusted its time by quite a bit, too. I guess it's printed this in 5 minutes. I don't think so, though. I think it was quicker than that. The inductive probe seems to work quite good. I notice you can kind of play around with it and put something underneath it, and the red light will turn on or off. I'm gonna figure out about some other maybe type of fan to get for this. I took this one off and sprayed it with some silicone because it was making some noise. This is a used printer though, so I mean, like, I don't know what the guy did to the thing. And all I know is he sold it, and you know, he was probably having problems with it. He's got lots of parts in the bag. I mean, like, they don't give you these extra nozzles. Not extra nozzles, extra silicone socks. I don't know how to look this up. Partsbuilt.com. There's 3. Yeah, I guess 2. So in this bag here, there's all this stuff in here. There's all these screws. It's like they look like they're all from the hot end to me, but it's possible they're not. But I'm pretty sure they are. Let's see, 2. Yeah, because I think these right there are going to be the ones that are crowned. I think he replaced something on here. I'm not sure what. What I think is he probably replaced the extruder and the hot end. That's what I think he did. Because some things look kind of strange. Anyway, I try not to judge this thing because it's used. And we'll just right now we're printing a parts holder for it though, and I'm going to babysit it for a little while and then I'm going to bed. These damn DMR guys keep blasting me out of the water with their radios. And it's like you get on the radio, it's like some of them are drunk or something. Anyway, I've been listening to the World 91 on my hotspot, and still working months later. I haven't touched it, which is kind of cool. Okay, so it's printing the grid. I need to change it from grid to something else like gyroid or something. And then over here, we've got the dragon going. I hear this clicking noise. I don't really know if it's the nozzle. Kidding. Which is just clicking like some other type of noise inside of this thing. It doesn't really sound like when things are rubbing. But anyway, how far are we into this? I've been adjusting the Z offset to see if it would go away. 55%, R55. I really need to get this thing going with the clipper just to check it out. But I tried to print this thing 3 different times and I actually did a new bed leveling. The bed's still good. I didn't really notice any issues there. It's kind of like a rattling sound. But I don't know, it might be the nozzle hitting parts that have already been printed. Just really hard to tell. Anyway. I'd really like to try out the sv07. I'm not impressed with the linear rail system on this so much. But anyway, so I'll post a link down in the air for Solval. So I have an affiliate link through Solval. So, you know, they have whatever they sell on their website. Then I'm going to see if I can get some coupons or something for people on the channel. And so I have an affiliate account with Solval now. And whether or not that's going to do me any good in the long run, I kind of doubt it, because, I mean, why would they send me printers for free or demo models for me to test out when they first come out, when they've got all these other guys to do it for them? But it's genius marketing when you think about it. They don't have to promote anything. It's all these people on YouTube, you know, chomping at the bit to get a free printer. And a lot of times they're not free. They send you the printer and you got to mail it back to them. And then they mail the same printer to like 3 different people. But, yeah, I don't know. One of these things I notice about this particular printer is that it stinks. It smells really bad. And I thought that I got all the stuff off of it, but I'm wondering if it's not this filament that I'm using. And I'm wondering if they're not adulterating some of the filament, because I smell that coolant smell that only I smell with PLA. It smells like antifreeze. It's that sweet smell. And having worked in automotive quite a bit, I'm very, very keen on that smell, because, you know, the car would come in and, you know, it would, you know, go, oh, you can smell it, it's leaking, you know, blown head gasket, you know, whatever it is. But I've just noticed that a lot of this stuff that I bought lately that comes on this cardboard roll, what I've noticed is they're all really low temperatures. I hate cardboard rolls, but that's what I got. Got the best deal on this stuff. I think this was like $10 a roll for this one. So I'm gonna print a couple of these. After this one's done, I'll print another one. And I guess they just make sure they just snap on, like right here. This never really locked in there like it was supposed to. That one did. Yeah. Anyway, the problem with this printer, everything's got to be printed on a damn brim. I don't know why. Anyway, I'm signing off for the night.